Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top New Collection Drill Bit Set Reviews 2025.
Number 4.
The Bosch X33 drill screwdriver bit set includes 33 professional-grade pieces designed for precision and durability. Compatible with Bosch GSB, GBM, TSB, TBM, and TSR series power tools, this versatile kit covers drilling and fastening needs, making it ideal for DIY, repair, and professional projects.
Number 3.
This 99 PCS titanium drill bit set is made from high-speed steel for strength and durability. Coated with titanium for reduced friction and longer life, it efficiently drills steel plate, wood, plastic, metal, and copper alloy. Perfect for woodworking, DIY.
Number 2.
This 19-piece M42 HSS drill bit set with 8% cobalt offers exceptional hardness, wear resistance, and heat tolerance. Ideal for drilling copper, aluminum, iron, stainless steel, wood, and other metals. Precision ground twist design ensures smooth performance. Comes as a complete core drill bit kit.
Number 1.
This 25 PCS drill bit set includes sizes 1 to 13 mm with HSS, titanium, and black oxide finishes for durability and precision. Suitable for drilling metal, steel, wood, and plastic. High-speed twist design ensures smooth cutting performance. Comes with a convenient storage case for easy organization.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.